Kapag tumaas ang presyo ng langis, tataas ang pamasahe, ang presyo ng mga bilihin at halaga ng kuryente. Ginagawa po namin ang lahat upang matigil ito. And that is why today's presentation of 8 service contracts is a deliberate step towards securing our energy future. Unlocking over $200 million in investment, these service contracts represent our continued effort to attain greater energy security and therefore economic stability and self-reliance. At sa ating mga kababayan, nagsisikap ang pamahalaan sa pag-aaral, pagtuklas at pagpapaunlad ng likas na yaman ng ating bansa upang ito'y mapakinabangan ng bawat isang Pilipino. Together, let us power a bagong Pilipinas that stands on its own, secure in its energy, strong in its economy, and steady in its commitment to future generations.
This is the first time na 8 ang service contracts natin. And in fact, most of them are, actually halos lahat sila may foreign investors. And this will entail about mga 12 billion pesos total investment. So huge investment. So ibig sabihin yan, pupunta na sa atin yung mga dayuhan, tsaka yung mga domestic companies natin to invest in the Philippines because they have confidence in our country. I think this is a good sign for the current administration. Now we are catering to what the country needs and by also taking care of possible investors. So we are quite happy with this kasi kung successful sila, meron tayong native hydrogen, meron tayong indigenous gas, baka meron din tayong oil. So, ibig sabihin yan, hindi na tayo dependent sa ibang country for our fuel, for our energy resources. So, that gives us independence and energy security. So, this is a very historic moment talaga. Ang Malampaya Gas, kahit kumukonti siya, nag-explore pa rin sila. Yun yung isang contract din natin binigay during this administration. And they're not only drilling for extension na isa o dalawa, 3 po ang dinidrill ng Malampaya. So malaki din yung investment nila doon. We're hopeful that there will be more source for Malampaya. But tama po kayo, in case na kumukonti at dumadami din yung Pilipino, dumadami din yung demand ng energy natin, we will have enough supply na atin, like another Malampaya or even bigger than a Malampaya. Po, ang host communities po, meron po mga sharing yan. Tsaka po, lahat naman ng mga service contractors natin have obligations. And even hindi mo yan lagay sa kontrata, talagang inaalagaan nila kasi they have to also get people from the host communities, no? Employment nila, ang mga livelihood nila tinutulungan like Malampaya today, and also yung mga community service nila, they really take care of the community surrounding them. Yes.